Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego Classic base plates. So the first one I'm doing is the 10714, the blue base plate. As you can see, I have two of them. And also set 11010 001010, and it's the white base plate. I only have one, and also I have the sand base plates. I have three of them, set 10699. Also I have the green base plates, 10700. I'm not sure what this green base plates number is, because this green base plate came out before the light green base plates. And also I have one of set 10701 from 2015 to 2018. And these other base plates, the blue is from 2015 to 2025, and also the white base plate is from 2015 to 2025. And also the green base plates. The sand base plates are from 2015 to 2022. Please let me know in the comment box where I can get more of these sand base plates. I would like to know. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in my contact info in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.